Good morning, my all friend. Today on 28th May, I will discuss with all of you for emitting of carbon. The carbon emitting of carbon is very dangerous for human life, plants, and all things living things on the earth. If carbon emitting or increasing, then in atmosphere the carbon dioxide will be produced, increases. Then carbon dioxide is excess of the atmosphere, then temperature of the earth is increasing, and all all things on the earth, or the living things on the earth, for harmful by emitting of carbon. So all country discuss on the emitting of carbon in America, China, and India is the first, second, and third place of the emitting of carbon. The carbon compound is different from the carbon. Carbon produce the chemical factories, vehicles, buses, diesel engine of the railway, two-wheeler, then produce sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide uh, in makes atmosphere of the earth. Then carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide uh, is will be acid rain on the earth. This is the very difficult for the human life, so that e- carbon emitting of carbon of the all country should be low. $210 per year loss of the India from the carbon emitting. So that how can maintain the greenhouse effect and emitting of carbon and all air pollution things. Ozone layer uh, make on the earth atmosphere. These ozone layers save all living things from ultraviolet ray. If ultraviolet ray reach on the earth, then human body diseases from skin cancer, and all living things are died. So that emitting of carbon stopped so very shortly. The electric production of the all over world, this by koila, other other things, thinking about the power plant, just like atomic reactor, not NTPC. So that our thinking is emitting of carbon is very dangerous for human life, living all things on the earth. So that I request all of you, do not discuss any other things, discuss only emitting of carbon. Carbon compound is different from the carbon. Carbon compound is the most useful for human life, not a carbon. So that I request you, next time do not discuss about the emitting of carbon. Thank you for all of you, and I see you next video. I will see you next video, and I tell you what is ozone layer. What is ozone layer? Which this is same umbrella. Ozone layer. If ozone layer is thin, then ozone layer whole block black hole. Then ultraviolet rays reach in on the earth, and all living things on the earth was died, so that emitting of carbon should be stopped. Thank you.